We are at St. Stephen's Church in Feasterville. My name is Gary Creeley. I do sales and design for Steeple Sound, and this was an installation we did, I believe it was 6 months to a year ago. This sound system represents the third sound system that this church has had. The first one, ironically enough, was the older column bogan style speaker, and that was on the sidewalls. A little later, they went to a speaker all the way at the top. Now, the challenge with that, it was really close to the ceiling. And so it was exciting all of the surfaces up there. And so essentially what you were getting was very little in the way of direct sound except for a small portion of the room. And you were just hearing all these reflections off of that large ceiling area. That was the circumstance that we came into. So we put in essentially 3 different types of speakers in this room. The main room is covered by the Iconics IC8s. The front of the room, for the little fills where the people participating in the worship service sit, those are CX41s. And then for the choir loft, we put in a set of CX61s. One of the things that the Iconics brings to the table is that they're a very wide speaker, so they cover a wide area, and they also have good reach. That's why we didn't need a delay set with them. We could do it all with the one set because they can reach back. So that kind of flexibility I wouldn't have gotten with a conventional, traditional speaker. So now all these speakers are much closer to the people's ears who are hearing them. Not to mention that with a digitally steerable line array like the Iconics, it is really laser focused on them. So it's a night and day difference to what it had been.